You've seen the surveillance video, pharmacy robberies like this one in March. Gun-toting robbers demanding oxycodone and prescription cough syrup. The DEA says users mix it with soft drinks. It's a highly addictive potion known on the street as Drank, Lean, and Dirty Sprite.
Those two drugs, promethazine and codeine, together, narcotic, they're going to give you some type of euphoric high. And that's to draw to the young people and the peer pressure, of course.
By phone, the DEA's Dennis Wichern told 12 News prescription cough syrup has been around for years. It's the drug that sent former Packer Johnny Jolly to prison and inspired several of rapper Lil Wayne's songs. Now, its popularity is growing on the streets of Milwaukee.
The demand drives it, and then the greed drives it, too.
Experts say a bottle of the prescription syrup can fetch up to $500 on the street. According to the DEA, in the first half of this year, Wisconsin has seen 50 pharmacy robberies, most in the Milwaukee area. That's more than double the 21 in all of last year. Wisconsin now ranks second in the country behind Indiana in the number of pharmacy thefts. And law enforcement is fighting back. Undercover officers trying to crack the crime spree had staked out this Walgreens at Hampton and Fond du Lac last April when they got lucky and happened upon a robbery in progress. In that April robbery, an officer shot one robber and arrested the getaway driver. Since then, court records show police have been trying to identify others in the crime crew targeting the area's pharmacies. In Milwaukee, Colleen Henry, WISN 12 News.